Hi everyone. Today I want to share something a little different. For many years, this channel has been all about origami and creativity, and I'm very grateful for your support. But besides origami, I also have another passion: technology. I'm a software developer, and I recently started a second YouTube channel called StackTrekker. There, I create videos about programming, AI, software tools, and practical tech tutorials. If these topics interest you, I'd be really happy to see you there. Starting a new channel from zero isn't easy, and every subscriber really helps. So, if you'd like to support this new journey, please check it out and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. And of course, this origami channel will continue. Thank you so much for your support. See you soon.